So I had been in the industry for about 8 years, and I walk into a house and I do the greeting, and the lady takes me down to the furnace and she says, "How long you been doing this?" Which was often something that I got. I mean, I probably got that 2 or 3 times a week. That's because at 26 years old, I look like I'm 17, right? And so they're trying to like discount me or act like I don't know what I'm doing in my mind. So I finish everything up. I finish my diagnosis. And for this particular call, just one that I'm randomly thinking about is a fan short cycle, and it was an older furnace, so it had a fan limit control, and I was able to adjust the fan limit control to where it ran the fan longer so it didn't heat back up and then kick the fan on again, and I fixed the problem. So I go up to the lady and I just tell her, I'm like, well, what was wrong was the fan limit control. And they get what it is that there's a coil spring in there that expands and contracts with the heat and cold. And so what happens is it needs to be adjusted every so often as they get older. So that way the fan runs for a longer cycle, so it cools everything back down. That way it doesn't leave a bunch of heat left in the heat exchanger, so it heats back up and then kicks the fan back on. And so I gave her even a more detailed description of that, because here's why I tell you this, is because when you have confidence in the diagnosis, then you'll have confidence in the prescription. And I always talk about prescribing, not recommending. You guys may have seen videos on that before, but you want to prescribe, not recommend. And it's all an attitude. It's all an authority. It's the way you communicate to the customer. And customers tend to look at you as a professional when you act in this manner. So in order to prescribe and not recommend, be sure that you are confident in your diagnosis, because when you're confident in your diagnosis, you'll be confident in your prescription. Go make money. Boom.